Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price update. And of course, it's a very red day. We saw, of course, a major drop for all the altcoins and Bitcoin as well. And as you can see, of course, a very big candle, basically, yeah, that we rarely saw in this bull run, right? I mean, we never saw such a big move towards the downside. Maybe a little bit here, but it was not massive as this one. Well, it was given a signal already, right? I already gave a signal with this that we are in a longer correction still. So far, there is nothing bearish, guys. There is no fear so much. I'm not talking just about Bitcoin, but also on altcoins. So I made a check up a little bit on all over all the crypto market, but some of them, of course, are seriously bad, but some of them are okay still. We are still in the bullish scenarios, all of them almost. But I will give you kind of like a tip how to figure out if this coin is going really bad or not. So for every coin that it has this bull run, as you can see, you have one, two, three, and you are in your wave four, and then we're looking for your wave five, right? So in your wave three, definitely you will have one, two, three, four, and a five, right? So your wave four, the previous wave four, and that means the last wave or correction wave that you got in during this impulse towards the upside, this is your, how to say, your hope. I don't like to sound like hopium here, but yeah, this is a price or the level that you would not like to see that the price action get to it or get under it. Yeah. So your way for where it ends, the last one, is your support. I would say your bullish scenario support. And that because this is the last serious correction that you got in every single trend towards the upside, let's say. And if you break this correction and you get lower, and yeah, that means is not good. That means it is very, very close to hit the zone one if you get lower. And yeah, that opens a definitely a 50% bearish scenario, and of course, by moving towards the downside and start to see for every correction, like, yeah, you don't see like really good move towards the upside after it or a signal of strength, that might, of course, give you a signal that this is the end of the bull run for this coin. I'm not talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a very standing and in a good in shape, right? As you can see, we did not even get the low of the previous, yeah, or of the current correction. Now, Bitcoin loves or tends to go much more in time rather than going deeper sometimes. But yeah, we are still holding with Bitcoin, and we are inside our scenario given, which is a triangle. And yeah, as we said, of course, we are probably, most probably, in the video today, we said we still have two scenarios: bigger triangle or simply ABC as a regular flat. Now, your regular flat would like to take, of course, the low, lower than this and lower than this, yeah? But much probably that we are in a triangle right now because we are looking at double rejection for Bitcoin, which is a good sign actually. Yeah, getting a double wick here is a very good sign besides this wick. But you would not like to see that the price getting or sinking down again. It's not nice. Yeah, that is a very big weakness. So what we would like to see, some kind of like even not ranging so much anymore or so long, because that is also a bad signal after this big range. Yeah. So we would like to see right now this triangle getting finished and start to move towards the upside after it. So we would like to still have this wave D and E, and then of course moving towards higher prices. Otherwise, yeah, that might not be good. Now, if we take the regular flat scenario and we take the Y here and we take the low, the double lows, we want to have a signal of strength. If not, Yeah, that might not be good, guys. Yeah, because remember, with a regular flat, we're very close to our previous wave 4. And your wave 4 here is also kind of a WXY. If we get the low of it, I mean, you have several lows, of course, for this correction, but this is the last one. So yeah, it might be very, very close, guys. So be careful with it. So far, we are still good in a bullish scenario. We are still in the correction. Nothing to be afraid of. I don't like to spread fear here, but I just give, of course, the levels where you might start to consider a bearish scenario. Yeah, because if we break those two, for example, those two lows here or two supports, yeah, it will not be very hard to just drop down massively because of this. Yeah, you have nothing here as technical support, that is nothing. So you would not like to see the price action getting out of this zone. Yeah, so these are the insight for Bitcoins. Those are the short updates. We still gonna range, guys. We still gonna range and then moving towards the upside. It's fine. Ranging sideways with the triangle is fine in time, but yeah, not sinking towards the downside or lower than these prices. And of course, after such a massive move towards the upside, guys, we're gonna need a time, a longer time to find a balance for the right price for Bitcoin. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.